Yo, brother. Yo, sister. I SouFLo talk to you, you know. I know Vegas. I SouFLo. Alright, so you see, if you are in Florida, if you're in Florida this weekend, especially if you're anywhere near the Fort Lauderdale, the Lauderhill, the Miami, Broward, Dade County area, or anywhere out, West Palm Beach, or when you come down from Orlando, all these places.
Jamaica, watch over us as I smoke up and drink up. We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight, yeah. Ladies, if you love excitement, come let me rub you the right way.
If you're in South Florida this weekend, this is the event to be at. The thing nearly slipped me for do this promotion because this is tomorrow. So everybody now run, go to the barber shop, get your fresh cut. Girl, go on to the beauty salon, get your new hairdo and all these things. Go pick out an outfit and get ready because this is going to be a star-studded event. What I'm going to show you right now in this video is a clip. Because I know some of you still never watched the whole movie yet. So I just chop out my scene. One take, right? One take in the movie just so you can see who I'm talking about. It's not Ninja Man, the original gold teeth, front teeth, gun gaga Ninja Man. This is Ninja, the actor. Alright? My brother. It is his birthday bash. It's an annual thing. And this year, we're about to turn up loud again. Alright? Pay attention, and after this, watch the scene of the movie. I'm about to give you the whole rundown, all information needed right now. Meet me there or beat me there. Alright? Alright, I still SouFLo talk to you, you know, man. Hear this. This is the great Ninja, the actor, birthday party. Rich and famous red carpet edition. Don't miss it. Alright? Saturday, August 18th. Saturday, August 18th. Saturday, August 18th. You're deaf? Saturday, August 18th, 2018. At the luxurious banquet hall. At the luxurious banquet hall at 3500 Northwest 15th Street, Lauderhill, Florida, 33311. Put it in your GPS and navigate your way there. Music by Juxifier and Friends. So you know, see a beer mad selection. Music by Juxifier and Friends. So you know, see a beer mad selection. Here what? Tickets are available at eventbrite.com. Ninja birthday party. It's only $10 pre-sold and $15 at the door. But sure, you can scrape up the money there and come through. You hear me? And if you have any problems, call 954-479-6721 for further information. Alright? This is the rich and famous red carpet edition. Alright. Meet me there or beat me there.
Yo, call SouFLo and tell him say the takeover begin tonight.
Pass me the pussy there. Don't take one shot me with a pussy there. Copper shot me, I got put it there. When me empty, me flip me the pussy there. Action, we no jail long time. Anything attack up when the 4-5 go off. On the ground, man, no fly gun now.
Oh, come in. Right there. Oh, you want it?
Clean cut.
June 7 at 9 p.m. from Black Lane. One shooting will go down. See, my brother did with him, Kevin, bro. Remember him?
Baba, pull on the gun and finish my haircut.
May I ask a question?
Baba, proceed with cutting my hair.
Tell a little true how I figure easy.
One I look on. Everybody, but to work.
The only thing that needs to get cut today is my haircut, not your life. So may I ask you, please, don't mess up my Sunday.
That was my brother.
Man who decide his own path, decide his own fate. I have no control over that. So once again, Baba, proceed with cutting my hair. Baba, I tell her, said, don't mess up my Sunday.
Yo, fire.
Shit, who the fuck is gonna finish my haircut?
Fire just car.
What did he say? Good. Let him know I'm going out of town. In the meantime,
Come in.
alright, so if you enjoyed that clip in the movie, just shout it in the comment section and we'll leave a link where you can watch the full movie. Alright, don't forget though, this is about the Great Ninja birthday party, Rich and Famous Red Carpet Edition. Alright, Saturday, August 18, 2018. Don't miss it.